Check. Now, oh, don't worry. Every little thing. We're going to take it out south right off the bat. Yes, we are. Oh, let me be alone.
Y'all keep dancing.
Close to me. Every little thing is going to be all right now. Mama buried these guns in the ground.
This is actually, it's handmade.
Handmade.
At Margaritaville, right?
Yes, sir. Very handmade.
Every year it's different.
So it's even better. It's a unique award each year.
Because we want it.
Yeah.
It's a huge.
Talk about. I mean, you have this fundraiser you've done for Animal Alliance today, but talk about all. You have something every month, right?
Yes, we do. We have the beach cleanup once a year.
Once a year we have beach
We
cleanup.
have summer camp, which this year is going to
Riddles in the Sand, the summer camp for Parrot Heads. All the funds will be going to UTMB Cancer Research here in Galveston. And it's going to stay in Galveston. Plus, we're collecting toys from the Shriners Hospital Children's Center.
That's our big summer camp every year for Parrot Heads.
And so this dispels the myth that Parrot Heads are just people get together and party and all every month,
We
right?
get together to party because we're all friends.
It is called Party with a Purpose.
I feel I'm knocking on heaven's door, yeah.